Right, welcome back. Well, the market is not doing a whole lot, very flat, but one stock which is actually perking up in trade today, Jain Irrigation. The volumes are also quite high. Highest point in the day right now, 85 rupees a share. If you look at the 1 week chart or maybe a 1 month chart, you would see that net the stock has actually added gains in the past couple of days. Flat to 1 month, but 1 week, and today of course is good upmove coming in. There has been talk about a fundraising plan being put in place. Yatin Mota joins us with an exclusive on that one. Yatin, Jain Irrigation up 8%. What exactly is brewing in the counter? We understand some stake sale on cards. Have you managed to gather the pricing details? What is the size, and also which institution are they in talks with?
You are absolutely right, Ajay, and what we gather from our sources is that Jain Irrigation is in talks with the International Finance Corporation, which is popularly known as IFC, for a preferential allotment and fundraising. Now, Jain Irrigation is looking to raise a minimum of $50 million or close to 250 crores via this preferential allotment to IFC, and this particular amount would be used for the expansion plan the company is intending to do over the next 2 years, and also some bit of investment in the NBFC business is what sources close to IFC tell us. Now, IFC already holds 1.7% stake in Jain Irrigation, and what we gather is that IFC is looking to hike its stake in Jain Irrigation over little over 5%, and this deal could take at a substantial premium to the current market prices, what sources say. 125 is the indicative prices that we have got from the investment banker, which are close to the deal. And International Finance Corporation has a mandate to invest, the sizable amount into clean energy and irrigation projects over the next 4 to 5 years. And this, as a part of the strategy, this particular preferential allotment might go through as early as next week. However, when contacted, Jain Irrigation has declined to comment on the story. But something is surely brewing. The company, the volumes are almost 4-5 times the 2-week average, and we have seen Jain Irrigation the highest gainer in the future and option segment. So surely something is brewing. But what sources say is that the preferential allotment to IFC could be as early as next week.
And Yatin, isn't this the second time they are wanting to hit the market and raise funds? The first time, probably because of the market scenario, it wasn't successful. Also tell us whether this will be a fresh issue of shares, or the promoters are paring some stake.
Not really, Ajay. This will be a fresh issue of shares which the promoters are planning. Promoters will not dilute their own equity as such, but this would be a fresh issue of equity shares because the company is in need of capital. And Ajay, before this there was news reports that the company Jain Irrigation was looking to raise funds via QIP, but possibly because of bad market conditions and not able to get sustainable valuations, the company has decided to go ahead with a preferential route, and possibly IFC is also in a position to infuse fund at a substantial premium to the current market price, and that is why possibly Jain Irrigation has gone ahead and taken the decision, which would be shortly out, that the preferential allotment could be done to IFC.
All right, Yatin, many thanks for bringing us that story. You can see the impact on the stock. It's up almost 7% plus in this session so far. Get in recommendations. And Prakash, come to you. One on a Jain Irrigation technically, and also your recommendations.
I like Jain Irrigation. Structurally, it's positive. 80 seems to be a very, very strong support. Jain Irrigation, the first target is around 98. It looks like it's going to cross the recent high of 90 and go towards 98. So structurally, it's positive. Only thing is, in Jain Irrigation, we need to pay a long pull trade. It's not a 1 or 2 or 3 days trade, but we need to have some kind of place for a target of 98. As far as hot stocks are concerned, I'd like to go for 3 shots. Axis Bank looks weak to me. It looks tight in the upper regions. I would have a stop about 1085 and the downside target of 1065. As far as Hero Motor is concerned, it's already achieved its target, very close to its target. I'll still maintain a short here, and maybe we could have an extended target closer to maybe around 1890 or 1885 zones, and have a tighter stop above the levels of 1935. But you already achieved targets of Hero Motors, but I'll still maintain shorts. And third is ICICI Bank looks tired to me. I would have a stop about 955. Can it come down to 930? Looks like yes, 930 is a possibility in ICICI Bank. So all 3 shots.
All right, Prakash and Deepak, thanks very much for joining us and giving us your perspective, your recommendations as well in the market today. 53.13 for the index. In the last half an hour, we've done nothing much. For the market, however, you have certain oil and gas names such as the BPCL which are holding up. Sesagua, Sterlite Industries are also supporting the index. Reliance Industries, it's a 1% move, bucking